Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. If not fine, then I'm 100% sure that you will do fine at the end of this video series. So what is this video series all about? This video series is about the concept of Sankhya philosophy. Should I talk about God? No, I'll not at all talk about God. Should I talk about incarnation of God? No, I'll not even talk about that. I'm not talking about something which is related to an incarnation of God, or maybe some other god who has heavenly created in the earth, maybe. Or should I talk about the law of karma? No, I'll not even talk about that as well. Should I talk about manifestation? Then no, I'll not even talk about. Then what will I talk about? I will talk about this concept of numbers and how it is related to our life, and how we can actually get all the sufferings away from our all the suffering, and
अपने घर
answer
जाना है
a solution
मुझे
which will actually answer to all the questions which we have in our mind. तो हमारे पास कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं? देर आर सम क्वेश्चंस इन लाइफ विच एक्चुअली is related to us, and we have constant troubles, and our mental energy is destroyed by all these questions. Like मेरे पास ये पता नहीं क्यों आता है, मेरे लाइफ में पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे लोग आते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं मेरे घर वालों से ऐसे प्रॉब्लम क्यों है, मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ मेरे को ऐसे लगता है कि देर इज सम एविल स्पिरिट विच इज़ रनिंग बिहाइंड मी. व्हाई एम आई हैविंग ऑल दिस ट्रबल? So what does this woman do? A woman was actually having a lot of problems in her life, not because she was facing some financial problem. उनके पास बहुत अच्छा घर था, उनके पास बहुत अच्छा मकान था, उनके हस्बैंड भी बहुत वेल टू डू फैमिली से थे, और उनके बच्चे भी बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे. दे वर हैविंग वेरी ग्रेट एजुकेशन. सी हैड ए वेरी ग्रेट फैमिली. सी हैड वेरी ग्रेट पेरेंट्स, सपोर्टिव पेरेंट्स. एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम सी ऑल्सो हैड a very great husband.
Darling,
So
you're
why was
back.
she having a lot of problems and that mental confusion in her head? But after having all these things which were very happily connected to her, she was having a lot of confusion in her head. वो सोचती थी पता नहीं, मतलब मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे को ऐसे धोखा दे के चले जाते हैं, मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ कभी कभी कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है. मैं अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैं गाँव गई थी, उसके बाद वहाँ पे फ्लड हो गया. और मतलब लाइक ये सब होता क्यों है? मतलब ये सब का कोई परमानेंट सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल सकता क्या हमें? सो शी वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग अ परमानेंट सोल्यूशन ऑफ ऑल दिस. एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम शी गॉट सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड दैट शी एक्चुअली थॉट कि आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. इसका कोई एक्सट्रीम लेवल ऑफ परमानेंट सोल्यूशन मिल जाता ना मुझे, तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्सेशन हो जाता. सो दिस इज़ वॉट वी विल टॉक अबाउट टुडे. We will talk about the concept of suffering. We all human beings have these kind of suffering, not just me, but it can be the Prime Minister of India, it can be someone who is just sitting in a very billionaire office, of course, or a person who is just working in an MNC, in a multinational corporation company, or some person who may be teaching. It can be anyone out there. Maybe it can be a very rich person, or it can be a very poor person. We all tend to have that kind of suffering, which is answered by Sankhya philosophy, by sage Kapila. He gives certain contradictions in certain points which actually gives us the solution to all this question according to Sankhya philosophy. मैं अपना यहाँ पे कोई भी इंटरप्रिटेशन नहीं दूंगी. यहाँ पे जो सांख्य फिलॉसफी, जो सेज कपिला बोलते हैं, मैं उसी के बारे में आपसे बात करूंगी. So he talks about the suffering. So he talks about there are three kind of suffering, threefold of suffering which happens in our story. So the three kind of suffering are tapatraya. Tapatraya क्या होता है? Three kind of suffering. The first suffering is called आध्यात्मिक suffering, the suffering which we have from ourselves. वो आध्यात्मिक suffering होता है. फर्स्ट सफरिंग क्या होता है? आध्यात्मिक सफरिंग. आध्यात्मिक सफरिंग इज अ सफरिंग विच वी हैव फ्रॉम आवर सेल्फ. देर आर थ्री काइंड ऑफ सफरिंग. First is adhyatmic suffering, which we have from ourselves, which we have from our confusion in our head, or our physical, mental, emotional, psychological problem. Like I'll be envying someone, or I'll be having a lot of greed from others' property. I'll be having a lot of anger. I'll be getting frustrated whole day and getting angry on certain things which is not of my use. Or I'll be very jealous of something which will be someone else, which will be the property of someone else. Or maybe I'll have that level of trauma or anxiety, or some like very bad stress belief in myself. So all these kind of suffering are happening to me, my body and my brain. तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? आध्यात्मिक सफरिंग. एक सफरिंग हो गया. 3 kind of suffering था. Second suffering is called आदि भौतिक suffering, which is suffering from others and others living organism. Other living organism, like it can be other living organism, it can be the dog. लाइक हमने कोई पेट रखा है जिससे मतलब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा वो अटैचमेंट हो जाता है ना कभी कभी हमारे पेट से. तो फिर लाइक वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ अटैचमेंट फ्रॉम दैट पेट. और मे बी इट कैन बी अ स्मेली कैट, ऑफ कोर्स, विच Phoebe said in Friends. So it can be the suffering from other human beings, of course, that friend of ours who actually betrayed us for no reason. Or it can be our family members, and because they are not giving us certain things, or they are not giving us the required amount of love which we deserve, and we are getting affected by that kind of person. So second suffering क्या होता है? आदि भौतिका suffering. First is adhyatmic suffering, which is from ourselves. Second is adi bhautika suffering, which is from others. Third is known as third is known as adi devika suffering, which is suffering from forces beyond our control. So this suffering is from forces which is beyond our control, like some natural forces, like natural calamities which is happening all around the world. It can be demonetization, it can be volcano, it can be tsunami, it can be floods, it can be that fire, it can be wind, it can be rain, it can be anything which is not in our control, which is not in our control of the action. Some natural calamities which we get affected. There are some natural calamities like floods and we are getting affected by that a lot. So sage Kapila says everyone in this world is tend to have these 3 kind of suffering: adi bhautika, adhyatmika and adi devika. Suffering from ourselves, suffering from others, and suffering from the whole world. Okay, and we actually search for a permanent solution to all this suffering. So what sage Kapila says in the next series, I'll get down to a point where the sage Kapila explains why all this suffering happens and why are we creating all this suffering, because it is happening all in our brain. So let's just wait for second video. Are you all ready to watch the second video? If you like my video, you can hit the subscribe button in order to see me again. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. I believe in God, even if I can't see it. Bye. Take care. God bless you all.